And it smiled slowly and said, "I'm a crocodile." And she said,
In a minute.
"I
In a minute, Caitlin. Let's read the books. Mm-hmm.
Well, here I was. Amen. Did you see that?
I did.
She likes it.
She likes the books.
Yep.
That's
It's
nice.
time for you to go to bed. Smile a little and turn the sun down. I need to get
Are you
this
taking
is
a nap?
my bed.
That's your bed?
Yep.
Oh, goody.
I'm the mom and Caitlin's the baby.
Oh, okay.
Me.
Mm-hmm.
Caitlin's name is Heart and my name is Panties.
Oh,
And actually my name is Flower. And Caitlin's name is Heart.
oh, goody.
And we have cutie marks. And I'll tell you what kind of house this is.
What kind of house is it?
It's a gecko house.
Oh.
Actually, we're both gerbils. And we have cutie marks.
Good. Oh, good night, Caitlin. Are you sleeping? Are you taking a nap with Otter?
I'm sharing it today.
Oh, that's
You
nice.
see, her head is bending to lie down on the blanket.
Yeah.
Like this.
Like that? Okay.
Caitlin's